Now that my hands are washed and sanitized, gel pads are on, we will go ahead and start the fill process. Hold on to the natural lash with your tweezer and slide the isolation tweezers upward in order to pop off the outgrown extension. As you can see, there is no natural lash attached. For those of you asking, yes, I typically remove outgrown extensions before getting started with the lash application. There is a specific video on removing eyelash extensions and different types of methods that we use. I will have this linked in the description box below, and perhaps I can attach the video somewhere around here. There it goes. Removing extensions that are outgrown is something that works better for me when I remove them at the beginning. We can't always do this, especially if a client is coming in for a 30-minute appointment, or if that client is just running on a tight schedule. If it is a full fill, then we will go ahead and remove those extensions or outgrown extensions right at the beginning of the appointment. Once most of the outgrown extensions are off, I will go ahead and prime the lashes. I'm using the FabuPRO 2-in-1 cleanser. If there is any other outgrown extensions that need to be removed, you can do that as you are lashing. I'm going to draw the blueprint because I know most of you have requested that. Keep in mind that if you are going to draw the blueprint, prime the lashes first. Otherwise, the primer is going to get all over your blueprint and just wash it right off. I'm currently using a mixture of 5Ds and 4Ds in the D curl 0.07 and 13, 12, 11, and 10 millimeters. When lashing, you always want to be very careful with the itty bitty lashes. If more than one lash is attached to an extension, this will cause sore or irritated lids for a guest, meaning that a guest is going to come in and say that their top lid kind of hurts. That is basically because there is a lash extension that is attached to more than one natural lash. As always, keep moving from side to side. Using volumes makes it easier for the extensions to stick to one another if not allowing enough time to dry. Be sure to separate any stuck extensions between application. I will continue to lash and I will be right back. Now towards the end, when you seem to take forever to find the natural lashes that still need extensions, be sure to lift up the extensions like this, and there you go, you will see all of the natural lashes. Just like that, I pick up the extensions and apply them right on top of the natural lash. You do have to wait in between applications when you are doing this because you don't want the extensions to stick, and this can happen very easily. You can keep holding the extension upwards like this and allow a few seconds to dry. You can also use an eyelash extensions hand fan to help you dry the extensions a little bit faster. As you can see in this particular spot, there is two natural lashes very close to one another. I will apply one extension first and make sure that they both did not attach to the extension. I will allow a few seconds to dry, then I will go ahead and apply the other extension to the other natural lash. As you can see, I got pretty much every single lash unless it was very just tiny and itty bitty and thin. I really hope that you all enjoyed this video. Please leave any feedback in the comment section down below. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. Also, for those wanting to know what products I used in this video, they will be linked in the description box below. Be sure to check out our website at www.FabuPRO.com. Use code ZULY10 for 10% off of your purchase. Also be sure to check out our podcast, especially the one from last week. Hope that you guys all had a nice Thanksgiving, and see you guys in the next video. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you guys are notified whenever we post another video.